My best Jordan 1 investment. In this video, we're going to go over my best Jordan 1 investment pretty much ever. This investment is great for me. It has done numbers for me. It will continue to do numbers for me because I did not sell these sneakers yet and I'm still holding on. I'm gonna hold on for the long term on these sneakers. I suggest you guys do the same. If you own this sneaker, if you could afford this sneaker, be sure to stay tuned, continue watching this video, hit that thumbs up if you guys love sneakers. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, join the More family, because we have a giveaway going on for the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1s. I am giving away this pair, brand new, size 8. All you guys need to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, be sure to leave a comment down below, then give me a follow over on Instagram, DM me proof that you did everything, and that is it. You are entered. Good luck. I'll be picking a winner in just a few weeks. Sneakerheads, I need your attention right now in the beginning of this video. Welcome to another video. If you guys love sneakers, which I know you do, you're on a sneaker channel, you clicked on this video, you guys need Sole Premise. Sole Premise makes high quality bags for sneakerheads when they travel. This is their duffel bag. They also make backpacks and a lot of other type of bags for sneakerheads, once again, when you guys travel. So right here, let me show you guys the features of this bag. Right here, on the side of the bag, I have my University Blue Air Jordan 1s, and on the other side, check this out. Travis Scott Air Jordan 4s, guys. Both of them jam-packed in there. And then I also have tons of space for a lot more sneakers. I have like 5 or 6 pairs of sneakers in here right now, guys. Check this out. We'll undo the zipper, take a look. But got a bunch of Jordan 1s, some Jordan 3s in here. Lots and lots of shoes. I'm gonna take all of them out. Look at this, guys. Tons and tons of space in Sole Premise bags. Make sure you guys check them out. The link is down below in the description to solepremise.com. And make sure you use my discount code, Danny Moore, to save yourself 40% off your order from solepremise.com. Guys, I love Sole Premise. They're made for sneakerheads when you travel. High quality backpacks to hold your sneakers when you're going on vacation, away for the weekend, anything like that. Backpacks, travel bags, any type of bag you guys need, Sole Premise has. Tons of colorways. You're gonna find a bag you are going to fall in love with, I guarantee it. Click the link down below in the description and use my discount code, my name, Danny Moore, for 40% off your order. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. The other day, I did a video talking about my worst Jordan 1 investment. If you have not seen that video, be sure to go watch that video. It's a banger. But in this video, I want to go over my best Jordan 1 investment to date. Honestly, this investment has been awesome for me. It's going to continue to go up in price. I only bought 2 pairs because this sneaker is very, very expensive. Very limited as well. I couldn't afford to buy a bunch of pairs because there's so much money. I got them for a very good deal before the release, and they've done nothing but gone up in price. They have gone up in price quickly after the release, then they dropped down a little bit. They're about steady right now, but I think this Jordan 1 will go up in price and go to the moon on them, man. This is a very dope Jordan 1. I own 2 pairs. Let's get straight into this. So in front of me right now, I have both shoes. I do want to give you guys a little peek of the box. There you guys go. I'm going to take the shoes out because the box honestly gives it away. So I'm going to go ahead and take the shoes out and show you guys that I do own 2 pairs. Boom. There's the boxes. 2 pairs of this beautiful Air Jordan 1. I'm going to show you guys which numbered pair as well. The Trophy Room Air Jordan 1. I'm going to tell you guys how much I paid. We'll talk numbers, where I got the pairs from, everything you guys need to know about this beautiful Air Jordan 1 that has gone up in price like crazy since their release. So that's the first pair in a size 10.5 right here, and this is pair number 930, I believe. Yes, 930 of 12,000. Only 12,000 pairs of this sneaker have been produced. This is a fire Air Jordan 1. Now, let me unbox the other one, and then we'll talk numbers. I'll tell you guys why this particular sneaker happens to be my best investment. So we have another pair right here. Show you guys, we do have 2 pairs of Trophy Room Air Jordan 1s, and this pair is pair number 8,518 of 12,000. You guys see it? We got two pairs of Trophy Room Air Jordan 1s. I paid $2,000 per pair. $4,000 in my hand right here for both pairs. Take a look at the market. They're around $2,900, maybe even $3,000. Beautiful, beautiful sneaker. I do own a pair, 10.5 and an 11. I could keep either one for my personal collection. I'm thinking about doing that, but I definitely will be selling one pair in the future, far from now. This, for me personally, is going to be one that I hold on to for a very long time. There's a few reasons that I think these are going to, of course, go up in price. The release was a disaster. We all know, backdoor like crazy. They were backdoored. No one really paid retail for this sneaker. If you did, you were basically friends and family at that point. So this sneaker was very, very tough. Of course, the blue lace controversy behind the shoe, as we all know, was not legit. The blue laces just means friends and family. This sneaker, especially if you have the blue laces, is gonna go up, up, up. They were backdoored like crazy. Take a look at the shoe itself. Of course, we do have the Chicago colorway with the aged midsole. You do have the frost-like upper with the glitter effect, Michael Jordan's signature. The stitching is there. The stitching does pop out. Very nice stitching. It is sloppy on a lot of pairs. It's not perfect, but it is a very, very dope shoe nonetheless. And they do have some nice hidden details. You got the rumor has it on the inside. Like I said, the pairs are numbered. February 10th, 1985, the day of the freeze-out game. So a bunch of details. They have a logo. The Trophy Room Jordan 1. The hype behind Trophy Room. We all know that Michael Jordan's own son owns Trophy Room, so the hype for these, man, is just through the roof. The release was crazy, guys. It was not a good release at all. A lot of people took L's. In fact, 99.9% of people took an L, unless if you knew the right people, or were just simply gonna pay them money. I paid $2,000 per pair. It's $4,000. Like I said, they're at about $2,900 per pair, so I've already made money on both pairs. I can go make about what, $1,600 if I sell both pairs. Crazy. Spend $4,000 to go make $1,600. Would you do that? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. In my opinion, absolutely, totally worth it. And what's crazy is that when I purchased these, I got them from Brandon's Kicks. Shout out to Brandon's Kicks. I actually purchased them a few days before the release, and as soon as I got them in, I believe it was like the next day or 2 days later, they went up like hundreds, almost like $1,000, just like that. At one point, these were selling for like $3,200, $3,300. I didn't sell them because, look, this is a long-term hold, like I'm telling you guys. I'm gonna hold these. My number, personally, I want them to be like $5,000. I think they'll go to $4,000 to $5,000 each. So until then, I'm gonna hold them, man. I'm gonna hold them. I'm gonna hold them. I think I'll maybe rock a personal. We'll see. It's a very expensive sneaker at the end of the day. Very, very, very dope, man. I truly love the shoe. I think the details are great, man. This is a dope one. Phenomenal shoe. I know a lot of people did not get this sneaker. If you didn't, man, it is what it is. Move on to the next one, you know? There's a lot of sneakers coming out. There's always new shoes. So look, if you guys don't take a W on your most hyped limited sneaker, it's cool. Move on to the next one. That's all. You know, you'll get a W one day. You definitely will. So, definitely a clean shoe. Let me know what you guys think about the Trophy Room Air Jordan 1s. This right here, man, has got to be my best Jordan 1 investment. I've made bread off of these and I didn't even sell them yet. If I want to go sell them, money's there very quickly for these, especially very quickly, and I can go make a nice profit. Like I said, I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to hold on to them, and I do want to rock, honestly, a pair. If you have a worn pair of Trophy Room Jordan 1s in a 10.5 or an 11, shoot me a DM. I'm looking to buy a worn pair. I'd love to put a worn pair on feet and then keep these two pairs dead stock. Sell them later on. That's what I personally like to do. So let me know what you guys think about the Trophy Rooms. If you do own the shoe, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Tell me that you own a pair. I want to see who actually owns the Trophy Room Jordan 1s. These were not easy, man. And it really came down to who you knew, or money, or a lot of instances both, right? A lot of instances both. For me, it came down to who I knew to even get the shoe, right? As well as having the money to even pay for the shoe. Very dope. I love the trophy rooms. Let me know what you guys think about them down below in the comments. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys love sneaker content. And be sure to enter in the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1 giveaway. Be sure to hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to give me a follow over on Instagram and DM me proof that you did that. That's all you guys need to do. Brand new Hyper Royals for completely free. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you guys love sneaker giveaways. And let me know what your thoughts about my best Jordan 1 investment. Man, I love the trophy rooms. Phenomenal shoe, and I've made some good money on them. So, very, very dope. Let me know what you guys think about these down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.